6 common marketing challenges and how to overcome them. Marketing is so much more than coming up with creative ideas or constantly advertising products. Each day brings its own unique set of marketing problems that you need to use your business and customer relation skills to overcome. There are so many ways to operate a successful marketing strategy, and none of them is pretty accessible, from generating new clients regularly to using new types of tech. In today's video, we will look at some common challenges marketers face and solutions we can arrive at to overcome these number of hurdles. So join me as we take a deep dive into the challenging world of marketing. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification button so you would never miss any of our future videos. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Brand consistency. Brand consistency can be a real thorn in the flesh for a lot of marketers. Inconsistency is prevalent in many professional services where a wide range of marketing, sales, and client-facing teams produce many promotional materials. In a world where brand identity is more critical for financial service firms than any other thing, there is no margin for error for any form of brand inconsistency. Marketing teams tackle this issue by creating clear guidelines that make it easy for people to comply with the brand standards. Creating accessible platforms for people to find the brand products they need also keeps the brand afloat and prevents them from moving to other brands. Employing publishing that lock down content and prevent it from being issued without a sign-off to reduce brand theft also goes a long way to keep the brand safe and consistent across all media platforms. Number 2. Client acquisition. Numerous amounts of agencies rely on customer referrals as their primary source of getting new clients. Unfortunately, this method has not changed much over the years, making creating a referral program daunting and quite useless. However, in recent years, agencies are now employing digital marketing and content creation to capture potential clients. Content creation is effortless and, if done right, will increase your customer base exponentially. All you must do is publish online articles that are tailor-made for your clients. Publishing frequently will help broaden your reach and establish your authority by partnering with brands like yours to even the market game. Another suggestion is to use marketing automation software to fully understand your prospects, to personalize offers to suit clientele in society easily. Moving forward, if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Number 3. Time management. After the hectic task of generating new clients, time management is one of the most common challenges agencies face. It is understandable since there is a lot of juggling of responsibilities, from digital marketing to hiring new staff. Unfortunately, the workload keeps getting bigger and much more complex and can be overwhelming for many people. The first thing you can do to overcome this challenge is to employ project management tools. Innovations like Toggl and Basecamp can help you properly organize your to-dos and stay on top of issues and schedules. Another thing you can do is limit the amount of time you spend working on a particular project. Dividing your project also goes a long way to cut time consumption. Finally, always ask for help when tasks become too overwhelming. Number 4. Ad platform changes. A lot of agencies do not have full-time staff members dedicated to paid online search. By so doing, a lot of ad platform changes fall through the cracks unchecked. Your strategy is at the mercy of the ad platform you are using, so always make it a point of keeping up so you do not fall behind. Make an adequate plan to keep up to speed with ad changes on your platforms to keep ads looking very current and not bore your clients. Marketers can achieve this by adding that type of research to one of your team's tasks or setting up feeds that will notify you as soon as there is a change. In addition, publications like Search Engine Land can be a source for staying up to date with new tools and current trends. Employing these tactics will hold more people accountable for tracking the changes and make it likely to notice any ad change earlier. Number 5. Navigating social media. Social media is currently one of the most accessible and most reliable marketing tools of the 21st century. Although having an easy overlay, social media can also be quite challenging, especially if you want fast results and a vast audience. Spending hours online, scanning through various social media platforms, does not make you a social media expert. Social media is very beneficial for small-scale businesses, and numerous amounts are startups. Still, you need a solid strategy and a dedicated social media marketer to increase your sales this way. Although many marketers invest in social media across the world, many of them cannot utilize their platforms to get the most return on investment, or ROI. Learn to use the right platform for the true purpose so as not to miss potential clients. For example, it is not the best practice to be selling artwork on LinkedIn when you could be using Instagram, since that is where most of your clients are prone to be. Number 6. Article generation. Creativity and marketing go hand in hand. The creation of titles and images to reach the target audience is a challenge that hinders both the creative and analytical side of the marketing brain. You must admit that it is pretty exhausting after a while. Creatives suffer from writer's block, which is one of the most aggravating challenges in content marketing. Consider using a content idealization tool or scroll through social media to see what consumers are searching for so you can tailor more of your content to their interests. Also, try to rebrand existing content in different ways so you get the most out of each topic. Also, try to see what other marketers are up to when it comes to content creation so you can stay ahead of the curve. We have come to the end of this video. Remember that marketing is not the most straightforward business you can venture into, but it houses many opportunities and a considerable amount of income if done correctly. Every day presents a different marketing challenge, and with some of these solutions, it is possible to be the best marketer society has ever seen. It is not where you sell it, it is how you sell it.